What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome myself back to the channel. It's been forever. Today we're headed to Sharkfest 2023. It's a 2-day event. I'm gonna try to vlog both days. We'll see how it goes. I've been wanting to pick it up. Here we go to give it a shot. Let's head to the event. Everybody's outside waiting. I'll pick up the camera once I get there. Just pulled up to the car show. We're just down in the parking lot. I'm excited to see what's inside. Sick. This thing is sick.
Imagine me trying to get in that.
It has steps. They're just electric. Model. I've seen this thing a couple times. Pretty sick. Supercharged cobalt. These guys look expensive over here. Rentals. Let's rent it. You can rent it out. Exotic rentals. GT4. I want a GT3, but the GT4 is still pretty cool. 6-speed manual. For the year, I wouldn't expect it. This thing's sick. I like the color. The blue is really nice. Imagine a Ferrari on the channel. Sheesh. The Ferrari or the Porsche? Which would you choose?
I'm not choosing.
For sale? Anybody looking for a 1500 horsepower, 34k miles? I gotta get something for next year. Like, stuff like this motivates me to like throw something together again. Check out this R8. It's like a colorful camo wrap. This thing's pretty clean. Best Subaru Trackshark. An M4. This thing would be sick to have. I would need a garage to park one though. I would not leave it parked on the side of the street. Focus ST. We've been looking into getting one of these. Bro, a 240. These things are so hard to find nowadays. Thought about getting one, building the next drift car, but I cannot find them cheap. One Love Garage. This thing is sick, dude. I don't even know what this is. If I were to guess, Chevy Love. Chevy Love. The main reason why I wanted to come to the event was to watch the drifting. Ouch. Infinity? Maybe I should have kept my Infinity. E46 SLR kit, that's what I had on mine. Still regret selling the thing. What side is the steering wheel on?
On the right side.
Is it on the right side or the wrong side?
On the wrong side. Not there.
It's not there. This one's cool. This wrap job is cool. Or is it paint?
Delco right there.
I need inspiration, boys. I have an idea of what I want to get next, but I need to pull the trigger. Maybe I'll buy the Infinity back. I don't know. You guys didn't get to see that. I just kind of threw that together, get rid of it.
He said you didn't make it to the 30s.
this would be the way to go. All mechanical, no ECU. Easiest V8 swap ever. Besides the fabricating, but I mean, no wiring harness really. That'd be me. Vice grips to hold up my hood. $323, it's out here getting down, dude. And I sold my $330. I gotta stop making excuses and just buy something. An 86.
You got a sticker?
You got stickers? Got a free sticker. Buddy Slides. Look him up on Instagram. Pretty cool guy. He's out here drifting today. Apparently everybody's drooling over the color. The color's sick, I'm not gonna lie. Probably why. I don't know, I haven't seen the color anywhere else. It's a sick ass Subaru. Get it? Oh yeah, I thought he's like blow us up.
That was welding.
Then burnout competition. Start drifting. What's up, guys? So it's a couple of days after the car show. I'm getting to editing the video and realized I did not do an outro for either day 1 or day 2. Day 2 is coming up. Day 2 is gonna be uploaded after day 1, obviously, so stick around for that. I hope you guys like this video. Honestly, I've been wanting to get back into YouTube and to making videos again. I enjoyed it. Doing this and editing now, I realize how much I miss it. So I definitely want to get back into it some more. But I gotta make time. I mean, it's not super late, but I gotta be up early in the morning for work, and I'm still out here after work working on this. But I'm making time. I really want to make time for this again. I miss it. But if you guys made it to the end, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know how many of you guys are actually engaged in this. I know in the video I talked about how I plan on getting something to build, hopefully for next year and for next season. But again, I'm not 100% set on a platform. I have a couple in mind, but I'm not sure. So let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see done. more than likely it's gonna be a drift build. I plan on doing another drift build. I missed my E46 like crazy. I wish I didn't sell it. So more than likely it's gonna be another drift build. So let me know in the comment section what you guys would prefer to see. Subscribe to the channel for upcoming content. Again, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try my best to make it to a couple more events at least this year. Hit that like button for me and I'll see you guys in the next one.